Controller drift can be frustrating, but there are several quick fixes you can try to reduce or eliminate the issue. Follow these steps to help restore your controller's functionality. Step 1. Clean the analog sticks. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks, causing drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt, or gently wipe around the sticks with a microfiber cloth. Step 2. Adjust deaden settings. Most games, including Call of Duty, allow you to adjust the deaden settings for your controller. Increase the deaden slightly to see if it reduces the drift without affecting your gameplay. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you have the latest software. Step 4. Reset the controller. Resetting your controller can sometimes resolve drift issues. Look for the reset button, usually located on the back, and press it with a small tool. After resetting, reconnect the controller and test it. Step 5. Replace the analog sticks. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks. You can purchase replacement parts online and follow a tutorial to install them, or take the controller to a professional for repairs. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce or eliminate controller drift and enhance your gaming experience.